Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce. My name is Ahmad Arsya from class Management 23C NPM 234111034. Here I explain about market balance. Market balance is a condition when the quantity of product or goods demanded is equal to the quantity of goods offered at a certain price. Market balance can be achieved if the number of product demanded is the same as the number of product offered, or the price of the product offered is the same as the price of the product demanded by consumers. At the time a transaction will occur between the seller and the buyer, because there has been an agreement on the price and or quantity of the product desired. Market function. The market function has several important functions in helping in many ways. The following are market function. Product distribution function. One of the market function is the product distribution function, which is an activity of distributing goods or service product by producer to consumer. Pricing or value function. Because there is interaction between seller and buyer, there is also demand and supply from both parties, so that there is an equilibrium price agreement that can be achieved from the interaction of the two parties. Promotion function. The function of the market is a gathering place for consumer, which is a perfect promotional place for producer to introduce their product. Labor absorption function. Apart from trader and buyer in the market, there are also many other parties who can be involved in economic activity, such as sweepers, motorbike taxis, parking attendant, garbage man, and so on. Providing goods and service for the future. The market has a role as a facilitator to manage saving and investment. This investment function to provide goods and service needed in the future. This saving and investment will interact in the market. Type of market balance. Short-term market equilibrium. The demand faced by company in a monopolistic competitive market is not perfectly elastic, although it is very elastic. Thus, graphically, the demand curve faced by the company has a negative slope, but is not as steep as in a monopoly market. At first glance, the company equilibrium curve in a monopolistically competitive market is the same as the equilibrium in a monopoly market. Long-term market equilibrium. At this quantity, the company only earns normal profit. In the long term, company in a monopolistically competitive market only earn normal profit. Rather, this happens because in a monopolistic competition market, there are not significant obstacles for the entry of company will become increasingly smaller. More and more new companies entering an industry, the greater the production capacity. So the debt long term the company only earn normal profit. Factor that influence market balance. A. Availability of goods as request. B. Inventory of goods according to the buyer offer. Balance of demand and availability level. There is a similarity in the amount of producer supply and consumer demand. Market balance function. So change in community needs. B. Providing a stimulus to entrepreneurs to innovate will change demand. C. Help seller determine offers. D. Helping producer determine the type of good to be produced. A. Determine the distribution of production result among consumers. F. Determine the right technology for the production process. Curva market balance.